Darling, let me tell you about the adventure we're about to have in Kashmir. It ain't just any old trip, it's something straight out of a dream. First stop, one of the most breathtaking waterfalls you ever did see. Water comes crashing down like thunder, mist rising up like a ghost dancing in the air. The sound alone will make your heart race. Then, we'll see something wilder, a big oil bear, sitting proud, tearing into his prey nature at its claws. Darling, ain't nothing more real than that. After that, it's time to slow things down. We'll hop on a boat, let the river take us where it pleases, watching the world glide by like a dream. And just when you think it can't get no better, we'll lay our eyes on the most graceful creatures you ever did see. Elephants, big and beautiful, swaying slow, like they own the land.